It's just consolidating on the VWAP, waiting till it kind of figures out what it wants to do. Is there any news today? We have a FOMC in a little bit and FOMC at 2. Today's a big FOMC day. It's not really great. Oh, look at that. Big fall down. This guy's about to come on and start talking right now. With today being FOMC the way that it is, this will probably play out like a seek and destroy profile, like it always kind of likes to do on big news days like that. if you don't want to break down there, then just whatever. Fuck you. It could be this is the seek and destroy profile, guys. We talk about it all the time. Pull it up and show you. So you know I'm not making these things up. Where is it? Right here. Yeah. Looks to me like it. Mm-hmm. I'm fine. This rejection here on the VWAP.
VWAP rejection. That was the entry.
Buy side liquidity was the last thing that was created. So they're going to attack sell side, which is like just getting punched into down there. I'm expecting that after that, it's going to like just break the sell side. That's what I'm thinking.
You know, for all the kids at home.
It's not making a move like quickly. No, I don't like that. Oh, now it's starting to. What are we doing? What are we doing? This guy speaks in 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna wait because usually a big move happens and I don't want to be on the other side of it. So we got right when I get right when I yeah. Yeah, I mean that's people say it's like hunt. It's the market's hunting your stop loss. So people say all the time. I wouldn't like necessarily say it's really that true. But I don't know. But okay, what have I been teaching you? The market moves towards liquidity. A stop loss is liquidity. So if you're piled up where the rest of the retail people are and you're in their stop losses, guess what? Market's going to go towards it.
Dan, do you listen to much like I wouldn't call it country. I wouldn't call it country, but we'll call it more like
Mm-mm.
blues rock.
A little blues, like yeah, kind of like some blues rock stuff. Yeah.
You've heard have you heard any Marcus King?
No, I just close this just like literally one quarter tick before my stop my take profit, just because I just don't feel like waiting. But um,
There's a lot of I was going to say
it's
there's
gonna it's
it's
gonna.
tried to go down. I mean, there was definitely some resistance
I
there.
passed my test and I'm just waiting because I have to wait the days for this new account. So I'm just not trying to like go. There's no point in me like getting a crazy cool win because it's just risky. But I said it was going to come back down into
Was that your
this.
Apex account you passed?
Yeah, I passed them all in like the first or second day, and then I just have to like sit there and just take little bitch trades.
Yeah, because you have to trade. I mean, you have to trade because it has to be like 7 trading days. So you can't just pass it and then sit on it.
Yep, that's correct. So like I was saying here, the market's gonna I think kind of perform a seek and destroy profile, which would mean that we're gonna continue to push down here. We could come back up into this area right here and then push down, but ultimately we want to see something come from way down here. Traded the SPY, the 15-minute opening range breakout would have been perfecto right there. Look at that. Beauty. She's a beauty. She's a beauty. Still haven't even broken pre-market ranges yet, which is just very interesting. That's fucking great. The moment I place it. Uh, just waiting to see if it's going to turn around right here because it's at a point where it really could. Doesn't look like he wants to turn around. It looks like he wants to just keep on ripping. I think the ES wants to turn around, but the NQ doesn't. That's why I'm waiting. I'm waiting because I see that. So hoping that I'll get a little pullback. Look at this. The ES looks like it wants to go down. That's the only reason why I've got faith in the ES coming back down, but it's just like really having trouble. The NQ. There we go. Alright, we're just gonna relax. No reason for me to hold that. Jesus. It's a choppy ass shit. Why do I know this is just gonna fucking crash down? I said it was going to. I said, what? It's gonna go down now. Fucking bitch. Yeah, look at that. Put rejection. Can you hear me? Yeah, doing just fine. Yeah. You.
So much, just another day. It's raining. Yeah. What? Yeah, that sums it up. Not quite, but it will soon. There was snow on the other, or snow. It snowed the other day, although it was more like hail. Well, that must be nice.
There goes.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, can you mute yourself?
The lobster won't rock itself. The headband's a nice touch.
Thanks.
Hey, what do you got against long hair, dog? Oh God. I'm hopeful that I get to keep my hair for my entire life. That's some nutty shit right there. Did you see he did that the actor that plays him did a like a Q&A board or whatever, you know, where like all the people get together and people asking questions about the game. And he straight up fucking he looked because they designed the characters after the people voice acting them, right? Like the physical appearance. Yeah, and so like He looks exactly like him. Aside from the fact that he's not a meth head. But like it's funny as shit because he's like the one guy was like, can you say something in my camera? And he fucking throws his shit down and he's like, get that camera in my fucking face. But he like runs like halfway across the fucking arena like just to do it. And he like puts his mouth right up to the fucking camera. Like it was so funny. It was
Like,
good
kind of,
footage, I'll tell you that. Because like he was trying to act out like he was the character, right? Like yeah. Yeah, and it's gonna be the metaverse without being a metaverse. I'm sure of it. They actually instead of shutting down the 3M servers, which are on obvious breach of their or of their EULA because like they modded the shit out of it. Instead of shutting them down, they actually hired them to join their team. So Rockstar Games and 3M are now together. Mm, which is so that's interesting. It might have been. I don't know. I don't remember. Whoa.
well,
Well, it's
the hack,
probably the foundation for why they started, or
the
why
hack
companies started putting it in their
was
EULA that you can't sell their products.
yeah, that part, but the hacking of their servers and stuff is 100% illegal. Yeah.
Where's my live dog? More of a bro. Testing, testing. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Perfect. Figure it'll be snowing in a week.
All right. Well, the price is just kind of consolidating right at the sell sign. It'll create a new sell. This will be the new sell side if we decide to go up. So I haven't drawn it yet. Seeing more likelihood of it going down, to be honest.
It's only 7 degrees Celsius right now.
My God. This is insane. Jesus.
For me, I'm waiting for 15 to 7 9. That's where I'm going to long. That'll be the last long holiday.
For a second there, Pokemon kind of sounded like a DJ.
Oh, look at that! Went right back into the opening range, right into this order block. This is definitely the sell side liquidity. So we're gonna run to here. I really don't know. I don't know. I don't use it. I'm a purist. What can I say?
You're not a purist. You're an order book.
What? What did he say?
You can't be a purist. You use the order book.
That's being a purist. An order book is literally I think an order book is more that's like not really an indicator. That's like literally what they use on this, like that's what blue is. People pay $40,000 a year for one term. I don't think that's like the real OGs, they just look at the order book and just fucking write down prices. They don't even look at a chart. That's what I've heard. Like the real fucking like thugs, they don't even look at a chart. They literally just watch the orders come through and write down where huge orders are. And they don't, because you don't need to look at a chart technically. If you know where the big orders are, you literally know the market.
Yeah, well, the chart is literally just a visualization of the information.
Yeah, exactly. So like I guess to be totally fucking, if you want to be like a fucking, if you want to have a hard on for this shit, if you technically trade with just an order book, that's the most purest you could ever fucking do. Because that's literally as if you were just looking at the fucking floor and watching the numbers come through.
Fair.
But I get where you're coming from. That's my rebuttal.
I accept your rebuttal.
I'm going to have to go here in a few minutes because I've got an early therapy today. This buy side being taken out will probably drop to right here or right here. And then go back up. But this wasn't taken out here. So like this is just a weird day. I still think that I still actually think push down like and go way down. Or we'll find support. Just go back up right now. Babaloosh. Yeah, I'm just gonna not trade because my account just needs to be passed by the end of today. It's already been passed. I'm not going to do something stupid.
Wait, do it. Leave your cards on the table. Don't even look at your hand. I hate driving behind people in the fucking rain.
Yeah.
Like fucking construction. Not just any construction, single lane construction. Why be late when you can be super late?
I have to get going. Looks like we'll probably go to take these out at this rate. But I gotta shower. It's ready. Sounds good. Yeah.